Hey guys, Canadian Bean here. In this video we experimented with different ways to remove endangered Texas sequoia trees. The best way that we found was maybe with a rock or an axe or a hatchet, but we also highly suggest using a rope, since that's the way that this was taken down in the end. Remember, do not attempt this at home without professional equipment or supervision, and be careful in the future how you go about cutting things down.
Him in the shed. Oh shoot! No. This guy's an axe murderer. We're in the state of Texas. He's getting a rope. Okay, here we go. My name is Rex Bean. I'm the brother of Canadian Bean, whose YouTube channel you are watching. Currently, we're watching a man try and chop down a 300-year-old Texas sequoia tree. It's endangered, for the record, guys.
But we don't care.
But we don't care because we want to set up a fire. You hear that? We're cutting down an endangered Texas sequoia tree.
If you're watching this, the world has ended.
If you're watching this, it's too late. This is arguably the last Texas sequoia tree.
No, it's if we kill this tree, the whole world
This
dies.
is the light.
Go out as high as you can.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
For leverage.
Remember, this is the Texas sequoia tree, and it's currently being cut down. She's ripping.
Go.
Oh boy. Pull harder.
It's fighting back.
Oh gosh. Guys, the Texas sequoia tree, if you didn't know, is where they get elastic. And so it's pulling back against us. Maybe if we both pull.
My hands are bleeding.
It's also highly acidic. So,
You can do this.
here, you
I'm
go.
worried it's gonna fall on my head.
I took a sign course when I was in university.
When you're at Greendale Community College.
I went to Greenville Community College. Greendale. Guys, I was also...
Jimmy's gonna.
Guys, we're gonna have to take a pause and then we'll be right back. The Greendale sequoia is fighting back. Hello, we are back. The Greendale sequoia is... Oh gosh! She just fell, and I literally, that was the one part I did not catch on camera. We gotta make the people see how it was.
You didn't knock it down, get it on video?
No.